Hello there, this is Mahbub. Welcome to another video tutorial. So today's topic is how to translate a WordPress plugin. I'm going to show you the entire process of translating a WordPress plugin from English to Bangla. So let's get started. For today's tutorial, I'm going to translate a Premium WordPress plugin, which is BWL Advanced FAQ Manager. I'll put the link of this plugin into the description box. You can check the plugin from there. I have already downloaded and installed the plugin into my local server. And here is the output of the plugin. I have already added a couple of back questions in here. So first you need to change the default language of your site. Currently the language is English. I'm going to change it to Bangla. Alright, so my entire site language already changed. Now we need to open the poedit file of the plugin. So if I go to the plugin lang folder, here is the poedit file. I'm going to open this poedit file using the poedit software. Next you have to create the translation file for Bangla language. If you click on this button, plus button, a pop-up window will appear, and from here you can select the language. Next click on the OK button, and as you can see that the file name already changed in here, and here is the .po file extension. Now we are going to save the file and add a prefix of the plugin text domain. So from where we get the text domain, if you open the file, which is the root file, you can see the text domain name in here. So just copy it, and if you save the file, just add a hyphen between the plugin text domain and the country domain. Just save it. If you save .yo file, it automatically creates a .mo file. I can see that two new files already created in this folder. Simply cut these two files from here and add them into the plugins folder. And the .yo file from here. Now if I refresh the page, there is no change in here, but I'm going to translate this total and pages text. So let's find out the total from this list, and here we are. There is a suggestion. It is a good improvement in the latest 3.0 version. Next, find the pages, and here it is. Now the move file automatically updated. So if I refresh the page, I will see the changes in here, and there it is. I hope that helps, and if this tutorial seems useful to you, please consider to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.